Gentlemen, how are you? Live lobster tours right here. Anyway, it's Francis, the market sniper, getting back in touch with you. How are you guys doing? So, quick update on the crypto world and realm. You've probably noticed that we had a melt up. So, one of the points we were making on Bitcoin, so we're talking Bitcoin of all the cryptos, is that it was moving very stably. It ran our target on the HVF quite easily, and it continued to move quite low volatility. I said at the time that stay long until you get the melt up move. We then very violently had a run up from the 2100s. It just went melt up. I think it touched 2600s. I'm not even particular. It may have even got a 27. It depends what exchange you're looking on. And I said that'll be the point that you're then having your blow off move in Bitcoin, and you need to back off and be selling into that strength. And what subsequently happened is we then had a big pullback. So I'm just going to move and give these people some space. You can see some of the Newport boats. I'm in Newport, Rhode Island at the moment. We left New York and we took ourselves for a drive up. Anyway, so what's happened is you've had that melt up, and then what always follows, people get too excited. The minute it starts making the news is you get your pullback. And last time I saw, I think it was down right by the 2000, probably trade through the 2000 mark. Now remember, the probability-based assessment is that this is an expanding market and it's going to keep on expanding. So what you want to do is not be panicked or shaken out of this. If you've not got leverage, it's okay. You'll be fine. If you're over leveraged, you probably got shaken out. So what's going to happen here is that we're going to base out, we're going to pull back and chill out for a while. We may go a little bit lower, but the long run trend remains in stake. So what we might just have is a huge move up with a pullback, just set up another nice low one, bounce around a bit before we get another continuation pattern on an even bigger scale with further upside targeting. So this is an expanding market. Now's the time to get all your cash together, get ready to start accumulating lower down for further upside moves. Do I know this? No, I don't. You know nothing. The market can always surprise you. Is it the probability-based assessment given the current technicals? Yes, it is. So if you invested, sit tight. If you haven't already sold, you've left it too late. If you were smart and you rotated into, believe it or not, fiat even for a short while for this pullback, you'll have plenty more Bitcoins to turn your fiat back, get rid of your fiat and get back into crypto. So that's the take. So looking forward to giving you more updates from this lovely part of the world. And the crypto side, stay with the game, stay with the trend, stay with the probability. If you rotated out when we advised on the melt up, you're doing great. You'll be able to load up more. If you didn't, sit tight, ride it down. If you're with leverage, then you're probably shaken out. Don't do it again. Take your message, recapitalize, and get back in the game. So I'm expecting by now, if you've been watching these clips, there won't be too many of you with leverage, but the opportunities will keep coming. Don't be shaken, don't be scared. That's the message. I've repeated myself a few times. I want you to hear it. You're going to have similar across the crypto. So Ether and a lot of the others have also had their relative melt-ups and pullbacks. Be calm. We're going to be getting more lower down, and they will be going not just back to where they were, but quite a lot higher on balance of probabilities in my view. That's it. That's all I'm going to say to you. Enjoy your time. Bye.